Welcome to our channel. If you're new to network marketing, you're in the right place. Today, we're sharing essential tips designed specifically for beginners. This video will provide you with the foundational knowledge you need, from understanding key concepts to actionable steps that will help you get started on your network marketing journey. Whether you aim to make extra income or build a full-fledged career, these tips are tailored to guide you toward success. So stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to navigate the exciting world of network marketing. First, let's break down what network marketing really is. It's a unique business model where independent representatives sell products directly to consumers, often through word of mouth or personal connections. The magic lies in the ability to recruit others to join as your sales team. You earn commissions not only on your sales, but also on the sales made by those you recruit. This creates a multi-level or tiered structure, allowing for potentially significant income growth and expanded reach through building and nurturing your network. Understanding this structure is essential for maximizing your earning potential and long-term success. Selecting the right network marketing company can significantly impact your success. Start by researching various companies and reading reviews from both current and former members. Look for companies with a solid reputation and a proven track record. Ensure they offer high-quality products that you genuinely believe in and feel comfortable recommending to others. The products should solve real problems or provide significant value. By aligning yourself with a reputable company, you'll find it easier to build trust with your network and sustain long-term business growth. Networking is the cornerstone of successful network marketing. Start by leveraging social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram to connect with people. Attend industry events, webinars, and local meetups where you can find individuals who share similar interests and goals. Focus on building genuine relationships rather than just amassing contacts. Engage in meaningful conversations, offer value, and show genuine interest in others. Building a strong, trust-based network will not only help you grow your business, but also create a community of support and collaboration. Ongoing education and training are vital for thriving in network marketing. Continuously update your knowledge on marketing strategies, product details, and personal development. Many successful network marketers invest in courses, attend seminars, and subscribe to industry publications to stay informed. Following thought leaders and industry experts on social media can also provide valuable insights. Staying educated not only sharpens your skills, but also keeps you motivated and inspired. By committing to lifelong learning, you equip yourself with the tools needed to adapt to changes and stay ahead in the competitive landscape of network marketing. Persistence and a positive mindset are crucial in network marketing. Begin by setting realistic, achievable goals to guide your efforts. Celebrate small victories along the way to keep yourself motivated. Challenges are inevitable, but it's important to maintain a positive attitude even when things get tough. Consistency is key. Regular, dedicated efforts will ultimately lead to significant results. Remember, building a successful network marketing business takes time and patience. By staying persistent and positive, you create a solid foundation for long-term success and resilience in the face of obstacles.